In this video, we're gonna take a look at this hospital grade Madela Symphony pump that is the epitome of breast pumps. Now the bottles that you get with these, they're a little more slim and narrow than the other ones. This is how you adjust your intensity. Very easy and intuitive. So this is the super expensive hospital grade Madela Symphony breast pump. They use this in hospitals, and not only that, they rent them out hospitals. That's how we learn about them. Now the huge difference between this and all the other brands is that this one is usually primarily for women who are running dry on breast milk, which sadly has happened to my wife. We had two different pumps. We had the Bella Baby, and then we had another portable one because she works. And then we ended up getting a Madela, and that also did not help. So then when we had our appointments with the doctors, they said, you know, last resort, let's rent a pump. So we rented this one for 2 weeks, and then what a massive difference, simply because of the intervals and then the pumping power. Plus this one is plugged in all the time, whereas the other ones were portable. So yes, they were very portable, and they had very great features, and they were easy to carry around. Unfortunately, they did not help producing and pumping out the milk, which is obviously what it is. So if you have the budget, or if you want to provide your child with the necessity of breast milk and the nutrition that goes with the breast milk, then unfortunately you are going to have to either spring to buy this one, or probably better to rent it from the hospital. In our case, we bought it thankfully because we could afford it. So let me just get into this review. All right, so this one is always plugged in, always heavy duty cable. It is so silent. I mean, like absolutely silent when you use this in comparison to even the quietest Madela or the Bella Baby, which has an incredible amount of something like 16,000 positive reviews. So again, we have those, but while they did pump in the beginning, like when we first had our baby, the first 3 weeks, we were getting pretty good results with the Bella Baby. Then we got the portable one because she needed to go to work. They had 1 day a week, and then so she was pumping on the go. That didn't work, and then we got the Madela one like 4 days later, and that worked a little better because of the pumping power, but again, that didn't work out. And then I just said, you know what, let's just get this one. So let's press power. Okay, now the bottles that you get with these, they're a little more slim and narrow than the other ones. This is how you adjust your intensity. This one here, just turns to initiate, press power. Okay, so initiate running. So right now it's on. Do you hear it? Power 1. And this is the loudest. It goes. Very easy and intuitive. So I'm not obviously going to show you my wife pumping milk, but I'm going to tell you that definitely worked. And if you look around the internet, probably the best pump absolutely ever invented. Yeah, she usually pumps on level 7. This is the level 7 right here. So you can take it with you, but again, it has to be connected to an outlet. And that is the trouble, right? So again, let's turn it around.